everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you my Yarnable subscription. So let's take a look. Yep, it looks like that. So let's see what we have inside. Let me get it out. Here. No. We have the box. Alright. So we have this card. And tells me what's in the box. So first we have this. And a little thing. And the first item is a can cozy. And it says, I got 99 problems, but a stitch ain't one with a flamingo. And it is a can cozy. That's adorable. Then we got a thing to hold sunglasses. And it says, knitters, like a regular crafter, but way cooler. And it is a pinch clip. There it is. And I dropped it. But that could be used for crochet hooks too, whether you wanted to put small knitting needles or crochet hooks in it, you could. I'm actually going to put my sunglasses in that. And then we got these swizzle sticks. And they are super adorable. And obviously they are flamingos. There they are. So they are flamingos. They are really cute. I love that. There's 5 of them in there. So you can stir your drink with the flamingo legs. Those are super cute. And obviously we have a code for a powder. And then we have this, and this is the yarn. So this is exciting. So, oh, pretty label. There's the label. It's from Yarnable by Hypnotic Yarn. And you go to yarnable.net. And here is the name of the colorway, Born to Stand Out, on Plush DK, 85 Superwash Merino, 15% nylon, 246 yards or 100 grams. And that is one gorgeous, gorgeous colorway. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely love that. So I absolutely love the Yarnable subscription. I think this is amazing. It was $35.99 plus shipping and tax, and I love this. So in June 2020, I've gotten the yarn, the swizzle sticks, the can cozy, and the sunglass holder, which I threw in the floor, and a code for I'm guessing a pattern. Nice. Oh, and they give you a little tidbit of information. Did you know flamingo chicks are born gray or white and take up to 3 years to reach their mature pink? That's awesome. So it's really good information. I really enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it too. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.